मुरगाव बंदर प्राधिकरण आपल्या हरित येवजणेखाला पर्यावरणाक तिगून उरपी नौकानयनाक उर्बा दिवपी भारतातले पयले बंदर जावन रावला। हे येवजणेखाला पर्यावरण संवेदनशीलताय निर्देशांक चढ आशिल्ल्या बार्जींक बंदरान पर्यावरण अनुकूल बार्जी आकर्षित करपा खातीर MPA कडल्यान सवलत मेळटली। MV ऑगस्ट ऑल्डेडॉर्फ हे पर्यावरण संवेदनशीलता गुण चढ आशिल्ल्यान मुरगाव बंदर प्राधिकरणा कडल्यान सवलत मेळोवपी पयली बोट जावन रावली। हे येवजणे विशीं उलयतना MPAचो अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर एन विनोद कुमारान सांगले, बंदरान पर्यावरण पूरक बार्जी आकर्षित करपा खातीर ESI पॉइंट चढ आशिल्ल्या जहाजांक सवलत दितले।
So here we are under a scheme called Green Credit Scheme, or we call it MPA Harit Shray. Under that scheme, we are giving certain discounts to vessels with a ESI score of above 30. So if they are above 30, above 40, above 50, they'll get from 0.5% to 1% discount on the port dues. So we have introduced that scheme, and incidentally, this particular ship, August Oldendorf, is the first one which is coming to the port after the introduction of the scheme. And so today we are really happy to be here with the captain and the crew, and we have launched the scheme here in this vessel today, and this will be extended for the entire year, and in between we will review to see whether the discounts given are good enough or not to attract more eco-friendly vessels to this port.
Sir, while you were speaking, we heard that probably Mormugao is the first port in the country or in the South Asia which is starting with this scheme. So, what do you want to say on that, sir?
We believe so. The data is from the International Association of Ports and Harbors. They have displayed on their website a number of ports which are giving certain discounts on the basis of the ESI score. So there are no ports in India or even in Southeast Asia giving such a discount to eco-friendly vessels. So at least I think in India we are the first port to give such a discount on the basis of the ESI score.
We're very happy that the first vessel that has got incentive from MPA for its ESI score has come under our agency, and we will convey to all other ships calling Goa Port about the incentives that MPA has to offer for environmental benefits, and I'm sure that many vessels with a good ESI score will come to Goa.
बंदरातल्या प्रदूषणाचेर नियंत्रण दवरपा खातीर JSW डोम बांदतले अशेंय MPAचे अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर एन विनोद कुमारान सांगले। जाल्यार डेल्टा इन्फ्रा लॉजिस्टिक कडेन जाल्ले समजिकायेचे कबलातीक लागून MPTच्या बर्थ नंबर 10 आनी 11चेर कंटेनर कार्गो सारको पर्यायी माल आकर्षित जातलो अशेंय सांगले।
JSW has already come up with that plan. I think the work will start this year, and they've already said maybe by 25-year end the dome will come up. I understand that they're already investing around 180 crores for the dome, which will kind of minimize or even make the coal pollution nil in the state. Yeah, after tender process, the letter of award has been given to Messrs. Delta Infra Logistics. So they will be investing around in a period of 30 years. They will be investing almost more than 300 crores, because they will be coming up with 2 new harbour cranes. So that work will start. So in another 8 to 10 months, the Goa port will also have 2 harbour mobile cranes, apart from the one we already the port has. So the container cargo will also start moving.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीष परब आणि सानिका नागवेकार।